So Vishwanath, when he gives his commentary on Bhagavad Gita, is called Sarartha Varshani. Varshani means a rain shower, a monsoon downpour, a celestial, heavy downpour of rain, monsoon, torrents of rain falling with the essence of meaning. A rainfall, which is the sar art, the essential object to be understood in this verse, or the essential meaning to be drawn from these verses of Gita, according to the great Rasikacharya and Gaudiya contemporary Mahajan, or let's say Gaudiya Mahajan, and Srila Chakravarti Pad, as he's often referred to over here. So he has a very beautiful analogy which makes it so easy to see the whole thing. Even I drew a little chart on my book here. How to control the mind. So he compares the mind, the uncontrolled mind, he compares to a disease, a malady, infection. Disease. A rog, we say in Hindi, rog, or vyadi, janma mrityu jara vyadi, a vyadi, or rog, or infection, and disease. So that on one side, there's the material disease, which is the analogy, and the comparison is the diseased mind, the uncontrolled mind. So now, what is the cure for the material disease? I have some, leukemia, some diseases can't be cured, but some diseases that can be cured. Say a very heavy cold, maybe pneumonia. Pneumonia can be cured, but it can also kill you. It's like on the border. But pneumonia can be cured. So now he compares the uncontrolled mind is like a very serious disease.